SLP Massive Price Predictions. Welcome to Crypto Giant. Let's find out in detail about SLP and specifically its price predictions. What is a Smooth Love Potion, SLP, and how does it work? Smooth Love Potion tokens are earned by participating in the Axie Infinity game. This digital object can be used to replace experience points if they are depleted. SLP tokens are ERC, 20 tokens that may be used to generate new digital pets, known as Axies, in the Ethereum blockchain. Beginning at 100 SLP, breeding costs increase steadily, up to 200 SLP for the second breed, 300 SLP for the third, 500 SLP for the fourth, 800 SLP for the fifth, and 1,300 SLP for the sixth. Axies can only be bred 7 times, with the 7th breeding costing 2,100 SLP. Axies can only be bred once every 7 days. This limit is in place in order to prevent the market from becoming hyperinflative. Obtaining SLP in the game can be difficult, and it is likely that a player will need to win 15 tournaments in order to obtain enough tokens to carry out their first breed. SLP can be purchased on the open market, allowing gamers to get a good start on the competition. Who are the inventors of Smooth Love Potion? The question of who founded Axie Infinity is a more pressing one. Trung Nguyen, the founder and CEO of the company that created the game, left his work as a software developer in the United States to devote his time to the project. According to Nguyen, he was motivated to examine blockchain's possibilities in gaming because he was frustrated by the fact that many gamers in popular games do not actually possess valuable goods, as he had discovered in his previous work on cryptocurrency. In an interview with Blockchain Gamer, he stated that the Ethereum platform has provided him with the ultimate opportunity to construct his dream game, according to the publication. The SLP breeding process, according to Nguyen, should be similar to anyone who have already played collectible games such as CryptoKitties or the like. This product is one of a kind, which is what makes Smooth Love Potion so special. It is unusual for in-game currency to be traded on stock exchanges, such as SLP. It's almost as if Nintendo made the decision to assign monetary value to the coins in Super Mario. In Nguyen's opinion, Axies are unique among non-fungible tokens in that they require extra attention in order to mature. SLP stands out as one of the few in-game tokens to be included in Binance's Innovation Zone, which is a rarity in the cryptocurrency world. The exchange has designated this trading category for assets that have more volatility and risk than other tokens, according to the exchange. Smooth Love Potion is presently trading at $0.016 in US dollars, representing a 0.05% increase in the last hour of trading. SLP has a market capitalization of $83,659,012 and a 24-hour trading volume of $117,418,431.00. It is traded on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol SLP. Smooth Love Potion, SLP, has a market valuation of $390, putting it in 390th place among all publicly traded companies. What is the estimated value of Smooth Love Potion in 2022? It's possible that you're a cryptocurrency investor who is curious as to what the Smooth Love Potion price projection will be by the end of 2022. Is Smooth Love Potion a reasonable purchase in 2022, or is it a wise investment? Is it possible that the price of SLP may rise to levels never before seen? These are our predictions for the pricing of Smooth Love Potion in the foreseeable future. Smooth Love Potion price predictions for the year 2022. It is anticipated that Smooth Love Potion will reach an average price level of $0.023 in 2022, based on the forecast price and technical analysis of Smooth Love Potion. Smooth Love Potion's predicted minimum price value by the end of the current year should be $0.022, according to the most recent available data. Furthermore, SLP has the potential to reach a high of $0.026 in the near future. In March 2022, Smooth Love Potion, SLP, is predicted to trade between $0.018 and $0.015, with an average monthly limit of $0.017. Smooth Love Potion is likely to trade between $0.018 and $0.015, with an average monthly limit of $0.017. Smooth Love Potion, SLP, is expected to reach the following price in April 2022. For the month of April, Smooth Love Potion is predicted to trade between $0.018 and $0.017 per share, with a monthly average limit of $0.018. May 2022 price forecast for Smooth Love Potion, SLP. Smooth Love Potion is expected to trade between $0.019 and $0.018 in May, with an average monthly limit of $0.018. June 2022 price forecast for Smooth Love Potion by the end of June. Smooth Love Potion, SLP, could be priced at around $0.019 on average. SLP might reach a high of $0.020, with a low of $0.018 predicted. July 2022 price forecast for Smooth Love Potion by the end of July. Smooth Love Potion SLP could be priced around $0.019 on average. SLP could hit a high of $0.021 and a low of $0.019. August 2022 price forecast for Smooth Love Potion by the end of August. Smooth Love Potions SLP average price could reach $0.020. SLP could hit a high of $0.022 and a low of $0.019. Smooth Love Potion SLP price prediction September 2022. Smooth Love Potion is expected to hit a low of $0.020 in September 2022. With an average forecast price of $0.021, the SLP price might reach a maximum of $0.023 in the near future. October 2022 price prediction for Smooth Love Potion. Smooth Love Potion is expected to trade between a maximum of $0.024 and a minimum of $0.021 in October, with an average monthly limit of $0.021 forecast. Smooth Love Potion price forecast November 2022. Smooth Love Potion is expected to hit an average monthly limit of $0.022 in November, with the coin trading between $0.025 and $0.021. Smooth Love Potion price prediction for December 2022. In December 2022, the price of Smooth Love Potion is expected to drop to $0.022 with an average anticipated price of $0.023. The SLP price might reach a maximum potential level of $0.026. Price prediction 2023 for Smooth Love Potion. Smooth Love Potion's price is expected to drop to $0.033 by 2023. Throughout 2023, the Smooth Love Potion price might reach a high of $0.039, with an average of $0.034. 2024 to 2025 SLP price predictions. Smooth Love Potion's price is expected to reach a minimum of $0.049 in 2024, according to the forecast price and technical analysis, with an average trading price of $0.050. The SLP price can reach a maximum high of $0.057. In 2025, the cost of one Smooth Love Potion is estimated to be $0.069 at the most. Throughout 2025, the SLP price might reach a high of $0.083 and a low of $0.071. Price prediction 2026 for Smooth Love Potion. In 2026, the price of Smooth Love Potion is expected to drop to $0.099, the lowest level imaginable. According to our research, the SLP price might hit a high of $0.12, with an average expected price of $0.10. Price prediction 2027 for Smooth Love Potion. Smooth Love Potion's price is expected to be around $0.15 in 2027, according to our in-depth technical analysis of past price data for SLP. Smooth Love Potion can cost up to $0.17 in USD, with an average trade value of $0.15. Price prediction 2028 for Smooth Love Potion. In 2028, the price of Smooth Love Potion is expected to drop to $0.21 throughout 2028. The Smooth Love Potion price might hit a high of $0.25, with an average market price of $0.22. Price prediction 2029 for Smooth Love Potion. Smooth Love Potion's price is predicted to reach a minimum of $0.30 in 2029, according to the projection and technical analysis. With an average value of $0.31, the SLP price can reach a high of $0.37. Price prediction 2030 for Smooth Love Potion. In 2030, the price of Smooth Love Potion is expected to drop to $0.45 throughout 2030. The Smooth Love Potion price might hit a high of $0.52, with an average trade price of $0.46. Price prediction 2031 for Smooth Love Potion. In 2031, the price of Smooth Love Potion is expected to be as low as $0.65 according to our research. The SLP price might hit a high of $0.79, with an average expected price of $0.67. That was all from this video. Make sure to hit like and subscribe to this channel for more interesting content.